Veed.io Honest Review. Watch before using. Veed.io is an all-in-one online video editing platform that promises simplicity, speed, and accessibility. But is it worth your time and money? In this honest review, I'll break down everything you need to know before using Veed.io. This tool is designed primarily for content creators, social media managers, marketers, and businesses that need quick edits without the hassle of learning complex software. Veed.io offers a wide range of features, including video trimming, adding subtitles, transcribing audio, creating text overlays, and even producing video templates for platforms like Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, and LinkedIn. One of its standout features is automatic subtitling. If you create content for social media, you know how essential subtitles are for engagement. Veed.io automatically generates subtitles with impressive accuracy and lets you customize fonts, colors, and positioning. This feature alone can save hours of manual work. The transcription tool is also solid. You can convert your video's speech into text instantly, making it great for repurposing content into blog posts or captions. Another major selling point is its user-friendly interface. Veed.io operates entirely in the browser, meaning you don't need to download anything. It's drag-and-drop simple, making it accessible for beginners. But here's where it gets tricky. If you're used to professional-grade editors like Adobe Premiere Pro or Final Cut, you'll find Veed.io a bit limiting. Advanced editing features like multi-track editing, color grading, and complex transitions aren't as robust here. Let's talk about pricing. Veed.io offers a free plan, but it's very limited. Videos will have a watermark unless you upgrade to a paid plan. The basic plan starts at $18 per month, which removes watermarks and increases storage limits. The Pro plan costs $30 per month, unlocking more advanced features like brand kits, custom fonts, and full HD exports. For serious creators, the Pro plan is the way to go, but if you only need simple edits, the free version might suffice. So who is Veed.io best for? If you're a solo creator, small business owner, or someone who needs quick, professional-looking videos for social media, Veed.io is a great choice. But if you need more complex editing capabilities or cinematic-level quality, you might want to stick with traditional editing software. In conclusion, Veed.io is perfect for quick, polished content creation with minimal effort. It's fast, accessible, and packed with time-saving tools. However, it's not meant to replace high-end editing software. Use it for what it does best: simple, effective video edits for social media and business marketing.